In this video, we're going to go over how to use the custom knowledge training and train your AI coach bots the way you want. Now to do that, go ahead and select an AI coach you've been working on, or you can go ahead and create one from scratch. And then to do that, to customize the training, the knowledge training, you want to go to sources here. And first what you can do is you can customize the prompt. Now this is what they're instructing the AI to first act like. Now in this case, the prompt includes like a background of who the character they want the AI to emulate. It includes some things on, provide concise responses, like how to act, different responses. So if you want to start customizing it a certain way and acting a certain way, this is the very base place to start as far as customizing the prompt. But then what you want to do is you want to go to content source and begin customizing the knowledge with additional content. So the way this works is you can go ahead and choose which way you want to train the AI bot through a YouTube video, through copying and pasting content, through uploading a text file. You can add Q&As. You can also have it scrape content from a website. So say, for example, we wanted to train it on some content about how to act in our, for example, our gym. So if someone asks, well, where do we get our gym membership? Or, where are we supposed to wear to our first class? It will have some training like that. And we can just use the copy and paste method here. Now what we're going to do is just hit extract and update, and it will take like 30 seconds or so to extract the content, tokenize the content, and then whenever we're talking to the AI bot, it will go ahead and start pulling some responses from here. So if it sees the keyword, hey, private session, what's a private session? Inside the knowledge base, what it's going to do is it will go to the keyword private, and it has this training here, and it will try to guess at the right responses to say is that private sessions should be scheduled in advance, right? Also, private sessions may have additional fees whenever the client's talking to the bot. Now, if you really want to make sure that it's getting a question specifically right, the best way to do this is the Q&A. And what you want to do is give it a specific question. So, for example, what are the fees for private coaching? And then there is a $20 fee. And then we can go ahead and add. And then this is a good way to begin getting, if you want the AI coach to respond in a very specific way to a very specific question, the Q&A is the best way to do that. With the content and the file uploading, it's going to categorize all the different content by different keywords and meaning. So it might not give a very specific response to what you say or what a client says every time when it's talking to it. But the Q&A is one way to do that. Also, another way is through the website scraping. So, for example, you can enter a URL like yogahelper.com/catalog or something like /shopping. And then it's going to go ahead and scrape all the products and the prices from this yogahelper.com site, for example. And then whenever the client's asking, hey, what was your beginner yoga course at? It will have all the information extracted from the shopping thing, and it will say, hey, beginner yoga course is $297 as of right now. So these are some different ways to begin customizing the knowledge training of your AI chatbot.